everyone, followers ng Amaze Nation. I am Marie May Casilaw. Everyone calls me M. I'm used to be called M. And I have been working in the call center industry for more than 10 years. Had to make changes sa buhay. So right now, I'm going to the direction of taking this VA world, work from home.
Sorry, ilang years ka na sa BPO?
More than 10 years. So I've been working since 19. More than 10.
10 years. And how was it working in BPO? Kasi syempre, lagi kang ginagamit mo yung voice mo, talking to a lot of people.
It takes its toll kasi ayun nga, for more than 10 years, nagreklamo na yung katawan ko. So I had to really make the change kasi ayaw na nga nung yung boses ko nawawala na for like a month or after a month, mawawala ulit siya, tapos babalik. So it's not consistent na as before. So kailangan na talagang mag-change ng... Yun din yung bili ng doktor ko. So I talked to a lot of ENTs. So lahat ng sabi nila sa akin is I have to change job. Kaya, ayun, I started habang kaya pa.
Singer ka ba?
No, I'm not. Sa Batangas kasi, kasabihan, malalakas yung boses namin.
Ah,
So,
from
ewan ko,
Batanggenyo.
Batanggenyo, yes, Batanggenyo. Ay, ano ka? Yung mga ganon.
Ala eh.
So, yun. So, parang laging galit kahit nag-uusap lang. So, siguro, I guess, nakadagdag yun. Kasi sa bahay, may mga bata, yung ganon.
Stereotype ko lang yung mga nawawalan ng boses, mga singer.
Singer, appreciated singer.
How did you feel that the doctor said that you need to change work? Did you feel scared na mawawalan ka ng trabaho?
Sobrang worried because I'm used to working. So parang actually kahit wala pa nga ako sa legal age, nagtatry na ako ng yung mga fast food, yung mga carts na magbenta. Tapos nakilala ko nga si call center, which is kaya magbayad ng, ano naman yung mako-cover yung kailangan ng family. So, kaya pinasok ko si call center before. Pero, ayun nga. So, dahil iiwan ko siya, parang yun na yung naging comfort zone ko. Nasanay na ako. Yun na yung pagising, agad-agad, log in, kaya ko na. Tapos, maraming magbabago. Yun siguro. Ang daming new. Anything new is scary talaga.
So, totoo naman talaga, no? When you are used to your work, 10 years pa naman ikaw nandoon, tapos suddenly nagkaroon ng health issues and even the expert na, the doctor told you that you need to change a job. Actually, very ironic kasi yung bago kita ma-interview, may na-interview ako before you. Ang kaso naman sa kanya is high blood, laging nagpupuyat sa dati niyang work. Tapos in your case naman, it's voice.
Yes. Luckily naman, hindi naman ako na-high blood or anything. Low blood, actually, mababa yung dugo ko. So yun, dahil sa puyat.
At that time, nag-resign ka na ba agad? Or pumasok ka pa din and then in a verge of looking for another job na?
Pareho. Matagal ako naka-leave of absence. So ilang buwan, babalik. Tapos again, mangyayari siya. That's when I decided to research about VA, work from home. Ang confusing niya, ang lawak kasi. So, hirap na hirap ako maghanap ng niche na will work for me. Especially coming from a call center. And ayoko na mag-calls. Hindi ko na gusto yung taking phone time. So, ayun, ang daming iba.
So, sa time na nagre-research ka, ano yung mga have in mind na may checklist ka ba? May goal ka ba na gustong kunin? Or just whatever you find na lang that suits you?
Yun, I've been watching yung mga influencers or yung mga work from home din na nagvo-vlog. So parang doon ako kumukuha ng idea to start with. Doon ko nakilala actually si Amaze Nation. Kasi doon ko nakikita, kapag nag-search ka sa YouTube kasi ng mga VA and then yung mga real life experience. So isa siya sa unang lumalabas. So, since then, curious na ako. Mahilig din naman ako mag-Lazada, Shopee, mag-order. Sabi ko, siguro kaya ko to. Hindi ko siya ganun kakilala or hindi naman ako nag-Amazon. Pero, matututunan. Yun yung nasa isip ko.
Okay, so dun ka sa mga success stories ba yan or mga value bombs na ina-upload sa Amaze Nation? I also started like that, no? Na parang yung mga consistent na stories and testimonies sa attract na if it happened to another person, definitely it will happen to me. So did you feel that way din pa?
Yes, exactly. Ayun nga. Ako, I don't know if you remember, Miss Nina. Ako yung isa sa nag-comment na ang fresh pag naka-work from home. Yung VA ka, tas work from home, flexible yung time. I don't know kung naalala nyo.
Parang oo.
That was me. Kasi my question that time is how do you organize your time if it's flexible? Doon na banggit the process that we do. Diniscuss din to doon sa ASVA eh. That yun. So,
Pomodoro?
Pomodoro, there you go. Nag-research tuloy ako about it. Kasi I was watching a live session, tapos nagtanong ako, yun yung nasuggest. So, nag-research ako about it. Tapos, nung nasa ASVA, mas naging malinaw naman siya doon sa masterclass. So, ayun, kaya yung flexible time, how do you organize your time? Mas ano ka na siya. Kasi, di ba sa call center, schedule mo per minute, nakalista yan. So, alam mo na gagawin mo. Pero pag ikaw lang mag-isa, you have to organize everything. Doon ako nag-start na magtuloy-tuloy din sa Amazing Sean.
Curious ako, nag-comment ka sa live webinar?
Yes. Diba, live po sa Facebook. Yung kasama mo yata.
Apollo?
Yes, Apollo.
Uy, ang dami na nanonood doon. Oh my gosh. Thank you
Yes
so
po.
much. Oo, natatandaan ko yung nakaka-fresh. Wala ka pang client?
Meron na, pero magsa-start pa lang. So, kasama ko talaga si Amazation from the start. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit ako tinanggap with no experience, ni client ko, Miss Nina. Pero, I guess mas gusto niya yung clean slate. Tapos, siya yung mag-feed ng information the way na he wants it. Tapos, yun nga, kaya ako nag-study by myself na, yan, live sessions, attend. Yun, nakakausap ko kayo doon, comment.
Thank you for being there, no? Sa mga comments mo, tutuwa kami pag may mga engaging comments like you. And, ang galing kasi hindi ka nag-stop mag-learn just because, diba, nagkaroon ka na ng client, you stop logging in, but then, nung nagkaroon ka pa ng client, mas nag-engage more. Kasi, diba, sharing of positive energy.
Tsaka ugali ng Pinoy yun. Siyempre, ayaw mapapahiya ang dugong Pilipino. So, hahanap ka ng something na will make you stand out. Tapos yung will make them feel na they cannot do the business without you. Yun yung purpose ko. Kaya gusto kong mag-learn ng mag-learn. Para hindi kayo mawawala sa akin. Parang ganun.
Tama, no? Parang jowa lang, no? Hindi mo kaya mo. Hindi ka no, hindi kaya mo.
Yes. Oo, yung ganun. Exactly.
Elite ba ikaw or advanced?
Actually, dun ako sa ASVACOR, na masterclass. Yes! Opo. So, batch 1.
OMG! Sige, can you share what was ASVACOR? Oh, guys, hindi to elite, hindi to advanced. What is ASVACOR?
ASVACOR, ayoko sabihin kasi Cheetos, pero it's a great starter to equip you with things about Amazon, private label. Andun kasi siya, it consists of all the modules, paano mo gagawin yung product research, even during the application, ituturo niya sa'yo. And may GC, wherein everyone's there, can teach an ideas, can help with questions. Yun yung appreciate ko actually dito sa ASVA. Kasi ang dali magtanong, ang dali makakuha ng sagot. Kapag nasasagot kasi yung tanong mo, alam mong belong ka.
Hindi mo napipil yung invalidation, ganun.
Yes. At saka yung OP, yung out of place. No. Like everyone contribute. I'm glad Amazation offered this starter package, as I call it. Kasi sa amin naman, it's not also affordable yung prices. I know it's worth it. So something that I'm looking into also upgrading yung from ASVACOR to masterclass or to advanced. Kasi or to elite. Ang ginugol ko is have my own business. A learner who learns through experience. Kaya VA is how I started with it. So, tapos going to business. Ayun.
Galing! ASVACOR ka pala. Kayo yung batch 1. So, ASVACOR is yung parang pinakang starter nga. May access ka sa module for 1 year yun, no? 1 year?
1 year. The group chat is for 2 months. Pero parang hindi naman din talaga siya natatapos after 2 months eh. Kasi yung mga tao, you already have connection with them eh. So you can still get in touch, connect. You just have to be respectful of their time as well. Ganun.
Oh, ganda. Actually, ang daming ang wins doon sa Asvacor. And may mga nakaschedule din ako na for interview sa Asvacor. So, for sure, we're going to launch it again because of the results of batch 1. So, thanks to you, for being an inspiration to some, no? May factor ba na dahil siguro 2 months or may expiration, mas nagpursige ka?
Kaya pa rin siya earlier than the 2-month period na binigay. What I'm glad with it is available pa rin sa'yo yung course within the year. So, kaya mo siyang balikan. You can still look back. And then yun nga, madali naman kausap yung coaches. So, kahit yung GC will no longer be available, you can still reach out. Pero, make sense of your question. Huwag yung manguubos ka lang ng oras. Kasi iba na yung proseso.
You really have to maximize. And yun, lagi ko sinasabi to sa mga interviews yung pagiging proactive. Hindi yung nag-aantay ka lang. So, kailangan ma-maximize at yun, masulit kasi syempre, you invested para sa skills mo. The time when you were in Asvacor, studying and looking for clients, are you still connected sa BPO or nag-resign ka na?
No. 1 week after ko mag-resign, like the very last day, doon kasi ako nakakuha ng client. Tapos, 2 weeks into having that client, doon ako nag-join sa Asvacor. Doon ako nag-enroll kasi I'm really glad na nakita ko yung post agad kasi nga naka-follow ako doon sa page. So pagkita ko ng post na 4,900 something, parang ganun yung yung cost ng course. Nag-enroll agad ako. Agad-agad. Hindi ko makaya yung 40,000. Doon muna. So yun, agad-agad nag-enroll ako.
Is an action taker. Agad in-enroll kasi bihira lang mag-release kami ng ganun.
Yun nga, nag-backtrack pa nga po ako ng mga posts for available classes. So, ang sarap pa, parang pride pa kasi nga, first batch ka. Tapos, equip you with things you need to know about Amazon.
And it gives credibility then that it works. It really works for some, no? So, if it didn't work for you, diba, pwedeng i-assess, i-recheck, ano ba yung mga things to need to work on. Kasi may mga iba nga ako talagang gusto pa nila mag-pull out from Asvacor. Nag-elite pa yung mga iba. Nagme-message sa akin. So talagang gusto nila mag-pull out. Ang kanya-kanyang journey. Sa'yo, mabilis ang journey. Sa iba, mga proseso pang kailangan. Bakit sa'yo? Ba't ang bilis? Ba't kaya?
Naalala ko yung nag-chat ka sa akin. Sabi ko talaga, fighting spirit, tsaka confidence. Parang fake it till you make it. Do not fake your credentials. That's different. Pero fake it till you make it. Kung alam mo yung parang, wag mo unahan ng takot. Sabi, kaya ko to. Kaya ko to. I'm a doer. So, yun. Ganun din ako mag-learn. If I do it, how I will learn. So, lang, kung hindi matanggap, sorry, next please. Diba? Ganun lang. Sabi nga ni Ariana Grande.
Thank you, next. I love that song. These small things pa lang ng ginagawa ng isang student or aspiring VA within our community sa Amaze Nation. Yung mga simple things like gawin yung homework, gawin yung pag-build ng portfolio, accountability calls, being proactive. Parang those things are building us na to become yung talagang VA. So that's why rin siguro you building yourself as kahit student ka pa lang, meron ka ng mga characteristics of a VA, naging mas madali, no? Anong sabi sa'yo ng client nung first time kayo
Tinanong niya ako kasi kung bakit din ako nag-resign. Isipin pa, I work at Taguig. Tapos, I'm from Lipa. Nung sinabi ko sa kanya na I'm done traveling 2 to 3 hours or almost 5 hours when it's traffic, going to work. Diba? Taguig.
Taguig! Oh my God!
Depende pa sa traffic. Yung SLEX, hindi mo rin ma-sure kung okay ba kung wala pang baha pag tag-ulan. Yun siguro yung nag-ano sa kanya na the way na nag-go kasi yung interview is, sinabi ko talaga sa kanya, I have no experience, but I'm very willing to learn. I wanted to learn and help you grow your business. Yun talaga. Kahit napaka-blanco, wala ako alam sa Amazon at all. Maliban dun sa, it's like Shopee or Lazada. That's it. Yan ang trust niya sa akin.
I'm sure curious yung mga nakikinig ngayon. When you were applying, ano yung mga little things na ginawa mo at biglang na-invite ka sa interview?
Akala ko kasi, resume before was like, listing what you're doing. Watching Amaze Nation din, it taught me na kailangan yung resume mo will speak for yourself. Hindi siya basta listing down what you were doing before. It's like what you're doing great before. Parang kailangan mo siya i-ano. So dahil nga more than 10 years na ako sa BPO, I'm used to doing this kind of profile na parang it's a lot different today na pala. Siguro I feel I'm going old na. I don't wanna say older, pero parang naiiwan tuloy ako when I started na magbalik sa yung yung mga application. Buwabalik ako sa ito yung mga kaya kong gawin eh. Nililista ko, and then that's where I start putting more words into it that will make sense. Na makikita nila yung value.
Anong specific na sinulat mo na ito yung kaya kong gawin?
Highlighting yung mga numbers na nakuha as a call center agent. More on highlighting those things. So sabi ko, bahala na. Parang ganun na lang. Kaya nagtaka din ako kung paano ako natanggap eh. Kaya sabi ko, may kailangan ako patunayan dito kay sir. Kasi tiranggap niya ako ng parang bagito ulit yung profile ko. So I had to work on myself para makita niya na worth it yung hinire mo.
Worth it, no?
Yeah.
And risk din sa kanya, no? Kasi for sure, wala ka pang experience nung time na yon. And he just felt yung grit yung grit talaga, yung courage ng isang tao, no matter kung ano pang background mo, as long as may ganun kang mga values, it will really help you, diba? Your work ethics, your relationship with your clients. But how about things that you learned from Asa Accord? May linagay ka ba dun sa resume mo?
Sa ngayon kasi, I'm still working on it dun sa mga resume. While looking for another client. Diba? Normally, ganun nagsa-start.
Guys,
Kasi,
swerte ni M.
looking for another client pa naman. Pero, dun ko ina-apply. Sa ngayon pa lang, work on. However, nagagamit ko na yung natutunan ko dun sa current client ko before I joined ASVA. Na nagagamit ko siya sa product sourcing, knowing the Amazon Seller Central, yung parang ins and out. Tapos proactive, yung pagiging proactive. Siguro kasi, di ba sa kanila, madalas ayaw nila ng utos. They want you to know what you need to do. So parang ayaw ka rin ng utos sa akin. Parang napaka-task-oriented lang ako. So parang ako, si proactive, ganyan. Tinitingnan ko lahat dun sa Amazon account niya. Ako kasi as Amazon admin VA, so technically, I do everything. Isipin mo pa yun, Miss Nina. Tinanggap ako na walang experience. I should do everything. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano nakita niya sa akin, actually, to be honest with you.
Baka naman prayer reveal ang gusto naming malaman sa'yo. Pinupina ka ba? Or saint?
Padre Pio, kasi nandito lang ito sa ano. Pero oo, lagi ako pupunta kay Padre Pio, nagtitirag ng kandila for all those wishes. Pero siguro yun nga, dininig ni Padre Pio yung words.
Nakakabilib. Sige, try natin. At first time kong gawin sa interview para sa mga gigil na gigil lang makahanap ng client at di magka-client kasi no client before. So, let's say ako yung client mo. So, tanungin kita. So, you don't have a client before. Why should I still hire you?
As a newbie in the industry, I have been wanting to, learn and acquire skills. I'm also a sponge. So as a person who may not know everything about the business, I'm very willing to learn, and I can guarantee you, I'll take it all as a sponge. Ganun.
Charot.
I'm not the kind of person who memorize things.
Yeah.
I go with how the conversation goes, kung paano yung magiging conversation namin during the interview. Yun lang, hindi ako yung tipong I should have these notes in front of me. Gusto ko siya maging casual na para kaming friends. Madali yung negotiation pag personalize yung approach.
And haluin din ng humility, no? Na yung willingness.
Oh, man. Absolutely.
Yung humbleness, pagkukumbaba na I'm giving my time, willing to learn, and yun, mga ganun.
Let them know, if hindi mo talaga kaya, why say you can do things? Kasi yung hirap patunayan, pag hindi mo talaga kaya, tapos nandun ka na sa trabaho, it's gonna be hard. It will show dun sa mga result ng mga ginagawa mo. And sayang. I'll go waste ng time.
Correct.
I don't wanna waste another person's time.
You value din yung time natin and value rin ng others. Saan site ka nag-apply?
Actually, suki ako ng online jobs at PH. Doon
Oo,
ako tingin ng
diba?
tingin. Oo, ang napakaswerte pa, Miss niya. Ang post niya is like 2 to 3 minutes ago. Feeling ko ako yung pinakauna eh. Tapos na ngayon hinahandle ko na rin yung email niya. Nakita ko rin yung mga past emails ng mga nag-a-apply na sabi ko, gaganda ng profile nito, pero ako tinanggap mo. You know, asking quietly. So, para sa sarili ko, ba't kaya ako tinanggap nito? Kaya hanggang ngayon, kaya ako talaga nag-enroll sa ASBA kasi I wanna be confident. Gusto ko yung pag nagsasalita ako, we're having a conversation, alam ko yung ginagawa ko.
Okay, alam ko na, tama. Doon siya na ano sa'yo. So, ililay it down ko for those of you guys who are watching. Kaya nakuha agad si M kasi lagi siyang pumupunta sa job sites. Lagi siyang tumitingin. Online jobs pa yan, Upwork. And it's true, 1 minute, 2 minutes ago ang mga job postings doon. So, kung tinatamad man kayo mag-apply or mag-send ng resume, at least ilibang nyo yung mata nyo doon kaysa sana sa TikTok, kaysa sana Facebook. If nasa era kayo ng paghahanap ng, 'di ba, pagkakakitaan, work from home, just by training your eyes at looking at the job post, it really...
Pati sa description, yung requirement, that's how it helped me also learn additional things, yung mga skills. Kasi nakikita ko, pinire-require niya, kaya ko to, aralin ko to. Parang ganon. So, never stop. Kasi it is a never-ending learning. Hindi natatapos sa school ang learning.
When you are learning, you are growing.
Ayun.
By Pinterest. Joke lang. Mga quotes sa Pinterest. Anyway, I'd like to know, and thank you for sharing your very inspiring, exciting na paghahanap sa client. So, yun talaga yung golden nugget, guys. Laging magtitingin ng job post agad-agad at mag-apply na. Yun. So again, kamusta yung lifestyle mo naman as an Amazon VA? Okay na ba yung boses mo?
Oo, dapat recovering. Hindi talaga ganito yung boses ko. Maliit yung boses ko. Medyo pa-girly pag nasa phone. Alam mo yung parang ang arte sa phone, tas ayaw mo marinig yung sarili mong boses, kasi parang arte nun. Yung gano'n.
Parang ako.
Di iba yung yung parang akala mo may accent pa. Pero ngayon, ang lalim na ng boses ko. So, it's still recovering. But somehow, ang laking difference ng flexibility talaga. I can work with my clients on free time. Magkikita lang kami 1 hour, 2 hours, meeting through Zoom or through Google Meet. Tapos after nun, ako na bahala basta I'm done with my task. So, yung flexibility, nagagabayan ko na rin yung mga anak ko sa school. Kasi, di ba, bago magbakasyon, nakatapos ng mga projects, yung mga ganun. Sobrang ang layo sa corporate world. Napakalayo. One thing also, Miss Nina, if I may share, I have a child kasi may special needs and parang kailangan niya ng more time with me. Malaki na yung utang ko sa anak ko. So, kailangan ko ibalik sa kanila. So, ngayon, ayun, mas marami na akong oras with them. Nakakalabas kami or nakakapaglaro na kami during works. Ang layo ng mundo ng corporate world talaga sa VA. And then, being at Amazon, something you normally do every day, mag-order, parang ang dali niya matutunan kung gugustuhin mo.
At kung bibigyan talaga ng oras at ng action.
Yes, totoo.
Kasi ikaw action taker ka eh. No?
Risk taker. Hindi naman risk.
Risk taker.
Doer. Hindi ko kaya yung kay Grace kasi may mga case. Parang I'm more on doer na lang siguro.
Doer, correct. Yan ang mga Diyan nagsa-start yung manifestation. If it's just, di ba, nasa idea, nasa utak lang natin, it's just gonna be there if wala talagang do or if wala talagang action.
Kulok lang.
And if you are someone like that who is watching this video, so go ahead to our description box below. Meron dong free ebook. Patikim pa lang yon of what it's like to become an Amazon VA. If you are very interested, just type in your name, your email address, at padadala namin sa inyo ang free ebook. So, going back to you, no? So, maganda yung naging changes in life mo, spending time with your child, spending more time with yourself, yung sa health mo, yung convenience, and yung growth na napifeel mo with your client. Kung meron kang mga mensahe sa mga viewers natin right now, kung may mga scared pa, 'di ba? Yung mga hindi pa unsure, or sige, ito sa mga wala pang natitake na action or na-do, anong mapapayo mo sa kanila?
Well, while you're waiting dun sa pag-take ng list, learn. Don't stop learning talaga. Kasi yan yung magiging weapon mo pagdating sa battle. So, knowing your weapon in and out, magiging madali yun pag nandun ka na sa gera. So, ayun siguro. Also, aside from don't stop from learning, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a community that will support you, na sasamahan ka, makakaintindi sa'yo, which is Amaze Nation. Thank you.
Yay! Thank you so much, for gracing us with your time and your presence and being an inspiration to Asva Core. So talagang it's credible, it's real, it's legit. Yon. And kung mako-compare mo yung dati mong sweldo sa dati mong work versus now, gano'n na siya kalayo?
Malayo pa kasi I'm starting. So, it's gonna go there. Yun naman yung goal eh, diba? It's gonna go there beyond what I had before. Yun talaga.
Yay! And my last question to you, is, are you a proud ASVA member?
Yes! Thank you, Asva.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to know more about freelancing, follow us on our Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram page. And if you have any inquiries, just contact the number on your screen. This is your Amaze Nation brand ambassador, Nina, and with Amaze Nation, we provide life-changing learning for extraordinary living. See you next time.